You poured yourself a mega pint of red wine, correct?
A mega pint?
Yeah.
I poured myself a large glass of wine.
Right.
I thought it necessary.
One of your good friends that you've taken drugs with before is Marilyn Manson, right?
Yes, we've we've drank together.
You would sometimes drink whiskey in the mornings too, right?
Isn't happy hour anytime?
And that was a document you signed in August of 2016, correct?
Is that the same one that I signed 3 times before? Yes,
Yeah.
that's the 4th.
I wanted to make clear that you signed that.
Today is the first opportunity that I've been able to speak about this. I pride myself on honesty. I pride myself on truth. I've probably been in the industry 30 plus years, 35 years. Never had any problems, anything like that. It's very strange when one day you're Cinderella, so to speak, and then in 0.6 seconds you're Quasimodo.
Article also from May 10th, 2017, a year and a half before the op-ed was published, says Johnny Depp reportedly drank heavily and was constantly late on the new Pirates movie set. Did I read that right?
You did, reportedly.
The next
These are
article,
all hit
also
pieces.
from May
These
10th,
are drags,
2017.
sir.
Mr.
This
Depp,
is a pathetic attempt.
Mr. Depp, please just respond to the question that I'm asking you.
What's your
The
question,
next question,
Mr.
the next document.
True.
Yeah, and that's your cocaine that you kept in that box that says property of JD with the skull and crossbones, isn't it?
The box was a gift from someone. I can't say that I carried cocaine in it, no.
You can't say that you carried cocaine in that box?
No, but it looks like it would fit some cocaine. What was the question again?
How many
I have order in the court, or I will have you removed.
He asked her what she would like for him to cook. That's hearsay, I guess.
Go ahead. I'm not sure if it's offered for the truth of the matter asserted.
He got it.
Okay, all right, well, then.
I'm learning.
There you go.
Let me put it a different way. Mr. Drew, who was a chef, which I don't believe is hearsay, Mr. Drew had made Mexican food Ms. Heard's favorite.
Mr. Depp had his penis out of his pants, didn't he?
What was the photograph of Mr. Depp?
It was a photograph of the bed, our bed, and on my side of the bed was human fecal matter. So I understood why it wasn't a good time to go down there.
Testimony that you did not ask for cocaine and ecstasy right after you told the doctor about your finger injury. Is that your testimony?
Regardless of what date you believe works within the world time zone, I don't believe that someone who has gone through opiate dependency, who has lost the ability to produce dopamine and serotonin in their own body, because that's what the opiate does. Your body no longer needs to make the dopamine or the serotonin. The dopamine and serotonin, as you know, I imagine, are things that keep us it gives us our moods.
I appreciate that, but my question wasn't that. My question was,
I'm just trying
right
to
after
school
you told the
you.
doctor, you're a lot bigger than Amber, correct? Physically?
I wouldn't say that.
Okay. Would you agree with me that did I read that right?
You did.
Did I read that correctly?
You did.
Okay. Did I read that right?
Yes, you did.
Did I read that right?
You continue to read them right.